everyone, and welcome to your next episode of Cooking with Nichole. Tonight I'm going to make a smoky chipotle bacon gravy. Earlier today I had made a chicken meatball recipe, and yesterday I made thick and creamy mashed cauliflower. And so you're going to be able to put all three of these recipes together in one meal. You're going to be able to find those on YouTube, or you can follow me on Facebook at the Cooking NP, and there'll be information to access both of those applications within this post. So what we're starting out with now, for those of you who follow a very strict keto diet, this is not going to go along in the strict category. This is going to be more of the dirty keto category, for the fact that I am using an already prepared jar of chicken gravy. And I read the ingredients on here, and yes, it's not going to jive with your strict keto. However, if you are not a strict keto person and you do use some processed foods, I am going to be using a jar chicken gravy for the convenience sake. Tonight. There are a lot of keto chicken recipes out on Pinterest or on the internet, and so please feel free to look those up if you are not wanting to use processed foods. So I am going to dump this entire jar of the chicken gravy into my saucepan here, and we're just going to scrape out the sides as best we can there. And then next I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of already cooked, crushed up, crumbled bacon. And this is what's going to give it the smoky flavor. I have a tablespoon of chipotle pepper in its adobe sauce. You can find this in the Mexican food aisle, where you're going to find all of your products and ingredients for making those great Hispanic recipes. And then, this is crazy, but I am putting maple extract into it. So it's going to give it a little bit of a sweet but smoky flavor to this gravy. And there is a teaspoon of the maple extract. You're just going to stir this around and turn on the stove on low, because you don't want it to boil and get all bubbly and splatter all over the place. So just put it on low, stir it together, and once it's all heated through, it's ready to be served. This recipe makes 6 1/4 cup servings. There's 52 calories, 3 grams of fat, 3 grams of net carb, and 3 grams of protein. Great easy option to add on top of your chicken meatballs, or even a grilled chicken breast if you'd like. Pork chops too would be a great option. This is your sweet deal for tonight. I hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.